all this from just this. Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I'm going to try my very first product from Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils. And what I chose to try is the Curl La La Defining Curl Custard. I want to say a big thanks to everyone who participated in my poll that I placed here on YouTube in my communities tab, as well as IG in my stories and the TikTok I did on TikTok. I had a poll, decide if I should use this product or this one here. This one out of all three polls. Before we even get into that, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing people try new products on their hair, and leave me a comment, okay? Let's get into what this product even looks like. This is for natural curls and coils and waves, and it is sulfate free, paraben free, no mineral oil, and no petroleum. This is a 15-ounce jar, and it's very affordable, enriched with shea butter and olive oil. The claims are, it will help you say goodbye to frizz, unruly curls and lifeless coils, define, shape, and control curls, waves, coils, and braid outs while adding moisture, shine, and natural conditioning. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, just re-wet my hair. This does say you can use it on wet or dry hair. Because this is a curl custard, I might just go ahead and use it by itself. You know, it feels like it has some moisture in it. It doesn't feel like it's just watered down to the ground. So, you know, it feels like there's something else in it. It does have a few oils in it. Okay, I'm gonna break down my hair into 4 sections. I almost want to try a leave-in, but I don't know what it plays nicely with either, so I'm not going to try that right now. What does this smell like? This has a, I want to say grape, just because this is like a lavender color I'm looking at, but probably not. You know, it could have a little bit of a grape scent in it. Other than that, just smells, you know, it's a little perfuming, but I can't really place my finger on what exactly it smells like. And the consistency of it is like a yogurt or a lotion. Feels good in the hair. It disappears into my hair from what I can see here. Okay. I do really like that. That I'm impressed with. See that? Yeah, I'm impressed with that. Don't really see anything happening. I'm kind of thinking I need to go ahead and do a twist out or something. I don't think as a wash and go, nothing is happening at all. Maybe if I had mixed it in with a gel. I'm not doing that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some everywhere. It feels really good. Lots and lots of slip. I mean, it feels really good. Let's comb this out. Directions for this says apply generously to wet or dry hair, gently massage into scalp and work through hair from roots to ends, style as desired for tight, scrunchy, curls or coils. Blow dry hair on a light setting with a diffuser. For elongated, stretchy, bouncy curls or waves, apply and then finger style hair into place while blow drying on a light setting, or allow hair to air dry. Okay, it's not sticky. It's just nice and smooth. I haven't done a twist out in a while, so let's go ahead and do it. Ingredients. Water is the first ingredient. It does have shea butter, soybean oil, olive oil. It does have the methicone in it, so that is for the shine and to coat the hair. It has a lot of ingredients in this. I just gave you the ones that stand out to me. Now we got some residue showing up, probably because I have lots of product in here. That's okay. Oh, in case you're wondering what this is, it's a burn. I was opening up my oven and sizzled my arm on the door of it, the inside of the door. Well, I don't know, I think I was putting some chicken in there or something, but yeah, it looks worse than what it is. It's about a week old. Doesn't hurt at all. Look at my hands are tired already. This is why I haven't done a twist out in a long time. But for y'all, I am 3 down. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair and then I'll be back.
When I'm with you, oh yeah, you like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame me for crying when I'm without you, when I'm without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone, oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too. Oh yeah, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately. I can hear it.
I use way too much. I did not need this much product because the slip is amazing with this, and a little bit goes a long way. So that's why I have so much product in there right now. I am going to go ahead and let this dry for the most part. I think I'm just going to let it air dry And then tomorrow morning I'll be back to show you guys the results. So far so good. I mean, I like it. It does not have a harsh smell. It's really soft. I don't even smell it in my hair right now. I love the color of it. I love the slip. The ingredients are, you know, okay, but we will see what happens. Okay, roses, it's the next day. I let my hair completely air dry. Shrinkage is definitely real. It's even more shrinkage to me because I recently gave my hair a good trim. Trimmed about, what, 4 inches, something like that. So anyway, let's go ahead and get a little bit of oil on my hands. Okay, let's get into taking down this hair and see what happens. So as you can see, I still have a, I have a decent shine on my hair. I did not put any oil on it. This is the first oil touching my hair and scalp, which is what's on my fingers right now. Dried wonderful. I do not have a cast, so it's not crunchy at all. So this is soft, and my hair, it seems moisturized. So let's go ahead and just take this down. I have about 11 2-strand twists. Okay. How's that for definition? I think that's pretty good, don't you? Look at that. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. Our definition is really, really nice. Here's nice and soft. Oh, my goodness. I'm glad I tried this product. I can't get over this definition. All this from just this.
Callin for you, Mayday. Tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love. You say I'm one of a kind. You know you ain't never lied.
This is gorgeous. And we can have the shrinkage if I want to. I can go ahead and stretch it at the roots with a blow dry, but I ain't doing that. I'll probably stretch out my hair heatlessly, and that's by just putting my hair in 2 satin scrunchies, maybe this way and this way, or this way, this way. So 2 right there, 2 right there, but towards the top of my hair, and it will start stretching out. Wow. I must say the claims to it says say goodbye to frizz, unruly curls, and lifeless curls. I completely 100% agree. 100% agree. You saw how much I broke down my 2-strand twist, and oh my gosh, it's beautiful. This meets all claims in my hair. So, you know, let me know down below, have you tried the Aunt Jackie's Curl La La? Let me know. Have you tried it? Are you interested in trying it now? Did you know you can just get this right from Amazon? You have Amazon Prime? I mean, get in a day, 2 days. I think I got mine the next day. The size, the amount it was, and for the price, oh man, I definitely have found for sure one of my favorite products of 2023. Beautiful. I'm gonna leave it alone, y'all. I'm gonna leave my hands out of it. I almost want to part it to the side, do a side part. I could, I'm not going to. I'm just gonna leave this as it is. This, oh, my hair is so soft. Love, love, love. So my first time trying Aunt Jackie's product, and I'm so glad I chose this. Let me know down below if you think there's another product that you have your eyes on or you've used before from Aunt Jackie's that you think I should try. Did this really do this to my hair? Yes, girl, it did. So anyway, if you enjoyed the video, like the results, if you enjoy hair videos altogether, make sure, if you're new to my channel or not new and you just haven't had a chance to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. Just get that out of the way. I'm sure there's something on my channel you will like in the future, so go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up. Yes, a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. Other than that, roses, I will talk to you later.